Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Sofia and I'll be guiding you in this video. In this video, we're going to do the Neuro Family Mandala. And so, yeah. Basically, our family roots shape who we are in ways we might not always see. Building our family mandala helps us develop self-confidence, gratitude, and understanding because it reminds us that every person in our family tree, known or unknown, has contributed to our story. You know how some people proudly say, my ancestors was famous for this or that? But here's the thing, your family's impact isn't measured by fame or recognition. The quiet strength of a grandmother who held the family together, the wisdom passed through generations, or the simple daily acts of love and sacrifice. These are the true foundations of our identity. Every family member, whether they made headlines or lived in a simple life, has intertwined with their story into the very essence of who we are today. Their struggles, their dreams, their choices, all of it flows through us. Sometimes the most profound influence comes from the most ordinary lives lived with extraordinary love and determination. This isn't about celebrating fame or achievement. It's about honoring the human story that lives on in us and acknowledging every person who helped create the foundation we stand on today, especially our family. What we do now is we take a piece of paper or anywhere you want to note this down, and you write every single family member that you can remember and know of. And maybe even ask your dad and mom about their parents or grandparents. And then you write a simple positive thing about each and every family member that you can remember. I know you may have a lot or you may have not so many, but yeah, take your time. Like, for example, I could describe my mother as very creative, very kind, very loving person. And that's enough. Then you can move on to maybe your brother and be like, he's a funny guy. He is very kind, thoughtful, protective, or something like that. And you just write it down on your piece of paper, or notepad, or whatever you're gonna use. And after that, we start drawing. Okay, so the first step is drawing yourself in the center. So kinda in the middle if you can. You draw a little circle that represents you. And on one side, you're gonna draw your dad. But wait, first of all, we make a circle around you. Then we make your dad. Then we make your mom. Doesn't matter what side. And the next step is you make another circle. So then my mom has her parents. So my grandmother and grandpa. And the same on the other side. Then you make another circle. Then you repeat their parents and here. Okay, and you can make as many rings as you want. I think I'm gonna do one more, even though my paper is not really big enough, but that's okay. Okay, so now what we do is we're gonna go ahead and do some narrow lines, like this. Okay, so the next part is rounding all the sharp edges. So just take it from somewhere and just start rounding it all off and making it more neuro graphical, if you can call it that. I'm probably gonna fast forward in this part, so enjoy. Now you can turn the paper upside down if you want to, just to see if you can find any sharp lines still missing, or sharp corners is what I mean, of course. I don't really see anything right now, but while I'm coloring, maybe I'll find something and then I'll just take the marker again and round it off. Okay. So now the next step is coloring. And coloring in this algorithm is actually not too important. Like, you just do the colors that you think look good, honestly, or what you feel like. You can also make some, like, make these small circles empty. You can do whatever you like. Enjoy. I'm probably gonna speed this process up as well because it's just coloring. So enjoy. Okay, here while I'm while I'm coloring, I can already see that I missed so many corners and I don't even know how that is possible. I do know how, but yeah, if you find them on your way, don't be shy to just round them off now, because yes, it's a part of it, you know? Yeah, I think that was it for now. I'm gonna double check. There's so many places that I could have forgotten now that I look at it. So yeah. Now I'm done with the algorithm. Yes, it's really that simple. So yeah, if you want to color the dots, you can do that as well. There's really no rules for that. So yeah, so everything that I have left to say is thank you for watching. And if you would be so kind, it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe or just like the video. And yeah, see you maybe in another video. Bye bye.